Behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
We're in the autonomous period at match 8. Red Alliance has 3 notes in, and Robots still operating autonomously to put notes up and in. Blue Alliance, all 3 robots are moving to score for their alliances. Both of Red Alliance scored 6 notes, Blue Alliance scored 5, giving the Red a slight lead, but it's only a 3-point difference at this point. Chaotic Robotics, 45-39, sends some notes over to the Red Alliance side. For 51-72, Gator Robotics sent over a note, and it has one in hand to bring over to their side for scoring. CIS for the Red Alliance has notes, and they put 2 notes into the amp for amplification. 45-39, Chaotic Robotics puts a note into the speaker. 31-30 over in the Blue Alliance puts a note into their amp. Second one in hand to put it to fill up their amp. 45-36, the Minibots puts a note into that speaker. Red Alliance, their speaker is amplified. CIS puts a note up and in. The error for the Blue Alliance, 31-30, drops a note into their amp. It is fully charged up for amplification, and they do that. Errors puts a note into their amplified speaker, as well as their Alliance members, 45-36 and 51-72. Blue Alliance has the lead with just over a minute left in our match. Minutebots puts a note into the amp for the Blue Alliance. CIS drops a note into that amp. It is fully charged up, ready for amplification. They put a note into that speaker and are picking up another one to make good use of that amplified speaker. Blue Alliance amplifies their speaker. They have 2 robots at the speaker ready for placing notes into. 2 notes go into that amplified speaker, which is 10 points. Lots of collision as 54-64 is playing defense against the Blue Alliance. 31-30 at the speaker for the Blue Alliance, and they put a note in to that speaker for 2 points. 45-39, Chaotic Robotics puts a note into that amp, and we are now in the last 20 seconds of our match. Looks like Robots are still scoring. We have a high note that on each of our stages, so our alliances can make use of that to get an additional point in their end game. Red Alliance has 1, maybe 2 robots parked. Blue Alliance has 2. Victorious. The score was 107-86. Blue Alliance advances to the round for match 11, staying in the upper bracket, while Alliance 2 moves